My name is Collins. I have this show coming up tomorrow. I've been trying to do everything, my input, output. I've done all the labeling and everything. So it has gotten to the part of the EQing, like EQing on my instrument, because this is how I do it some of the time, especially when I'm having a new show. I make sure I have my section set up with a multi-track or any stem that I have available. I make sure I have my session set up. So at this point I was like, okay, at the EQing part, I can actually show you guys. I will take you through, we will do the EQing together. Please make sure as you are watching, you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's start now with the kick. So that, as you can see, is channel 1. I just need to mention this. On this particular recording, I get kick in, kick out, snare top, snare bottom, hi-hat, tone 1, tone 2, tone 3, and floor. Okay, I will take you through the EQ, and I will take you through the kick in and kick out. First, let's start. Let me just place this here. I pray it should work. Yeah. So select the view of the EQ. Let's just dive into it. So this is too loud. Reduce it. Too loud. Reduce it a bit again. Until this my meter, at least what I have on this meter is green. So let's start. This is kicking. Now there are different ways people do their kicking. It depends on what works for you. But let me explain this first. Me, I don't add. I take out frequencies I don't want to add. Because if I listen to it now, what I'm just hearing, I'll be like, what and what will I need to remove? What and what will I need to make it sound very well? So that's my first reasoning first, before any other thing. So let's start from there. So I think first, this particular part of it. So second, this other part. So spread them. So third, shove it to this place. So down. So I need to fast forward this, so at least you can have a constant kick. You can have, okay. So this is kick out. So this is one method. So if I remove the EQ, this without the EQ, this with the EQ. Now I can decide to be like, oh, I don't like what I'm hearing. Let me just spread it. So first what I do is it okay for me? Do I like it this way? So 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 muted, that is one. So let's try to label it so you can see. Let's try the channel one to try to label it. So channel one, click, give it a nice color, red. So it goes the way like this. ISOM. I always like it this way. I can have, so I think is the so if you are using one mic, let me just say this: if you are using one mic and you don't have to kick mic, that's when you can actually bring this up because of the bite. So you don't love this again. So this is when you are using one mic, but because when I have to, I don't want this high, bring it down. So let's now go to the channel 2. Look at this place. You see, it has changed. Channel 2. Let me bring it up. See, look at the way it's sounding. That's picking. So some of the time, if I'm rushing, let me tell you what I do. If I'm rushing, I'll just do copy and paste and continue from there. But I'm not doing that now. Let's start from the beginning. To show you guys something. Sometimes you can roll it up. For me, I still want to hear that little click. So let me use the second speaker. Okay, let me just try to see what I can do with EQ. See what I can do with the EQ. This is the 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2. So let me quickly show you the way I place the fader. So you just need it. It's not necessary you place it like this. You do it in a way that you feel like, oh, it's okay. So this is for the cake. This is for the cake. So okay. So this is for the cake. And we try to go to snare too. Now this is not studio, this is mixing live, so you need to be open, listen to what you are doing. Most of the time I walk up to the drummer and ask him, are you okay with your kick, with what you are hearing and stuff like that. But in the studio too, I do that. Drummer, how far your kick? You don't do okay. Okay. I like the bite, I don't like the bite, they move the bite. Those you can do. But I'm just giving you like a guideline. So if you notice, I did more of cutting than adding. So I only add where I feel like it's necessary. That's the what's the name? That is the high of the kick in. So for you to have that bite from the kick. So this is the let's now move to the snare. Let's move to the snare. Okay, I think I didn't label the kick 2. That's kicking. Let me try to do that. Sorry. The Ojoro way of labeling. I will now put in at the front. In. Oh, come again. That's kicking. So we are good with the kick. Now let's try the snare. Let us try the snare. Another thing is this instrument must be properly tuned, and your drummer will handle that, so they will tune it very well before go on with it. But let me just try to do the EQ and show you. EQ for the snare. So first, let's label it. Okay, let's label it. But this, because I have 2 snares, so I had to do this labeling this other way. So snare top. So top. I always like my drums to be almost, all my drums to be the same color. So snare top. Let's go back to the EQ. I don't need any low, because you can see this is where the frequency starts. This is snare top, so let me just reduce it a bit. So I do with volume 2. So now I think what I'm hearing is still okay. But I will now ask the drummer, how about your snare? How you want that? This. So this is snare top. So let's rush to snare under. There's another mic under the snare, that's what I mean. So mute. So didn't label it under. I haven't labeled it yet. So this is two of it. So just a quick one. So just brush it off. Sorry, that's not the spelling of that. So that's kick and snare. Jump. So the under is more for you to have the chain and everything for it to sound nice. So let me mute that and go for hi-hat. So hi-hat. That's channel 5. This is just, you just need to roll out all this and add this. Add this and here. Let's see. So this is for the hi-hat. So I always like to bring my hi-hat down. So now, why I like breaking it is, there's a bleed. There's always a bleed when you're doing like there's one mic receiving another instrument like that, especially on drums. Let me just show you the volume thing. See. So normally if I want to do it, I'll just add. If I try to increase it, let me see. This increases it. Now, if you notice, I did not add one compressor. So I do compressor when I feel like, oh, this musician or this person is hard. And then you know that, okay, you need to try to cut or compress because you know at a particular point to slam the drum hard and stuff like that. There is no need for it. You don't need to do it. So let's dive into another instrument entirely. Okay, so mute. So thumb. So this is how I take it one after the other. It must be one after the other. Let's dive into thumb 1. EQ. If you look at it, you first find that see. So you look at on the particular side that have that on. fault. This is me. I cut a lot. So, stop. Cut a lot. So, I think I have some escape. Let me see. Okay. So, now I need to pan this camera a bit because I'm about to pan to the left. So let me take it back so you guys can see what we are doing. So, is it not too hard? So this is my thumb one. This is not like the final work though, because this is from what I can hear now. So I need to still walk up to the drummer and be like, is it too tight? Do you want it bigger? Do you want all this thing that I'm saying is both inside the studio, as long as it's live, you need to get the opinion of the person playing it, and so inside the studio or outside. So how far, bros? You don't do okay? Or how far, bros? Are you good? You say yes, I'm good. So we can proceed. Let's go to another part. So just release this a bit. So thumb two. First, I like this meter thing because it will show you where this thing is high, and I do this and this down trees right here. Don't is not actually sounding well. There's one drinking thing that I don't like. Let's see. Let's see. We need to come with it. So, this is like all the drums. So, this is like the drums. Let me see. Maybe should I continue or should I stop here? Okay, let me add some instruments. Let's go around some instruments. Let's try to pick it to overhead layer to connect right. So I think there are things I didn't do normally that people do. Like, let me start this, the gate. I didn't do that. I know people do it a lot, but so like this. Let's try to do that. Now, I do this on live. Do this on live a lot. And sometimes I always like this. So, trying to do now without, if you notice, the only thing I was touching since is the EQ, little bit of the dynamics, that's the compressor and the gate. That's what I've been touching since. Let's now move to, because I just want to show you the normal rough mix of, and not really rough, perfect mix though, but rough because I don't have the second party telling me that, oh, I want you to add this, I want you to add that, I want this to be okay, I want this to be overhead left, overhead right, left, no cut. So, no cut to this part. No cut to this part. Overhead right, no cut to this part. So most of the time I use my EQ to bring down the hair. I feel like it will bleed, the bleeding is much. I'll pan this to left, pan this to right. So reduce the volume. Reduce the volume of this. Let's go back to particular place I have all those. So this is the drum. This is the drums. Just showing you EQs of everything. They're not well labeled, but at least at the mentioning them, you have your kick in, kick out, snare top, snare bottom, hi-hat, top 1, top 2, floor tom, that's top 3. If you have extension like your toms are more than 3, so you can continue on that, but this is just 3 toms. So you have your overhead, left and right. So now, let's add bass. Now, on bass, mostly I don't do much. It is when I'm doing post-production that I now try to flex my muscle with software. Or if I have LV1, that's with LV1, things I can flex my muscle. But yeah, now with this perfect drum that you have, you can now add maybe your reverb if you want to. If you feel like you can EQ your delay very well and add it, this is good. So let's go to bass. Bass. Now, if you listen to the bass, it has a spike. The spike that is, I think, on whatever they call it, distortion also. The spike is a bit high, and I need to cut it. And mostly, I do this first volume down. I don't do much though. will try to make sure that everything is fine. So I always add this on bass. Any instrument that has its own volume, I make sure I have my own part complete. So this instrument has its own volume. So let's see. Let's go on guitar. See, guitarist knows what to do. I'm going to stop. If you have any other topic you want us to talk about, put it at the comment section. For those that haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. For those that have, I make sure there will be more updates every day for you. Thank you. My name is Collins.